What's the meaning of calque? Calque. Calque.
Calque. Calque. Calque refers to a linguistic borrowing process whereby a word or phrase from one language is translated literally into another language. The resulting new word or phrase in the target language essentially mirrors the original source language. The purpose of this process is to create new terminology in the target language that reflects the semantics of the source language. Calques are often used in technical or scientific fields where exact meanings and terminologies are important. However, if a calque is not commonly used in the target language, it may cause confusion or be difficult for non-experts to understand.